All right, let's see how to fix this PowerShell error. Running scripts is disabled on this system. This is an error caused by the PowerShell execution policy. If it's set to something like restricted or all signed, we won't be able to run scripts. The solution is to change the execution policy to one that allows scripts to run using the set-execution policy command. There are a couple of execution policies that allow running scripts. One is RemoteSigned. If you set the execution policy to RemoteSigned, you can run scripts you create locally. However, you won't be able to run scripts downloaded from the internet unless they're signed by a trusted publisher. The other option is Bypass, which allows all scripts to run without any restrictions. Optionally, you can set a scope. If you don't specify a scope, the change affects all users on the computer. To apply this change only to the current user, set the scope to Current User. Setting the scope to Current User also doesn't require administrative privileges. Now, the execution policy is set to Bypass, and we should be able to run scripts without any errors. There's more to the execution policy than what we've covered here. If you'd like to learn more about PowerShell execution policies, check out the video link in the description.